Today's gonna be a great day. We are rolling into Daikoku PA for what is normally known as Supercar Sunday. Oof, look at that clean street chaser. Man, so many nice cars here. Super clean Supra, RX-7 FD next to an Altezza. And look at this green R32. Wow, that's really cool. There was a spare car park next to it, so I just pulled in. But this looks like an old Group A car. Dude, he's even got the air compressor port on the front. Is this actually the real deal? Everything is stripped out inside the car. Oof. You know, I'm gonna take a random guess and assume that it could be. This side has a stock mirror, but the other side has the correct mirror. Looks pretty legit. Looks like he's gonna put some interior back in the car. It's got a bolt-in cage though, so maybe it is a replica. But back in those days, maybe bolt-in cages was all they needed. Oh, that's hard. I can't tell. Looks legit though. I don't know. I think it's a replica. I don't think it's the real deal. It's too clean. But that is money. That little cooling duct there. Let's have a look. Let's see what's here, because there is a lot of cool cars here. Wow, look at that 180 scraping. Wait, that's a 1Via. I just saw the rear end. I'm like, wait, that's a coupe. Very cool. S2000. MR2 Spider. Ooh, Bentley. And there's so much here. Oh, that's that BMW electric car. Highly recommend coming here for Sunday lunch, guys, if you can't make a Friday night. Oof. Oh my gosh. It's a lifestyle, isn't it, guys? Up the back here, there's a very interesting 34. This is sick. Dude, I love how he matched the headlights to the body and the paint. Very cool. Big Blitz brake kit, the Works wheels. This is really nice. I think this is that orange color that the 35 GTR came out in, right? That's nice. I dig that a lot. And we got this S15 up here, like a time attack one. It's pretty cool. Big Wang. Oh wow, yeah, he's 100% on slicks. Look at that. Advent GTs, love that. One of my all-time favorite wheels. Engine bay, really nice. HK's turbo kit. Beautiful. It's running a Plasma Man upper intake manifold too, by the looks of it. It's cool. So today I was actually planning to do a bunch of stuff at the shop, but had a pretty rough morning with Hugo, so kind of just chilling, relaxing, and I was thinking I haven't been to Daikoku PA in a long time, so it made sense to come here. We used to come here pretty much every week and make a video, so it's cool to just kind of show you guys what's going on here and show you that it's still the same old Daikoku PA, just maybe a little bit more American muscle cars usually than what used to be before. Point proven. And oh look, there's another one right there. Something that a lot of people ask is like, when you have things like this here, why are the young kids going for American muscle cars like this? And it really just comes down to one simple thing. The grass is always greener on the other side of the fence. Everyone in America and Australia always thinks the Japanese cars are super cool, but everyone here generally thinks that the American and Australian cars are super cool. It's actually like kind of ironic being here and seeing that. Those of you with a smart eye will probably recognize this car. This is the Meiku R34 Skyline. And then over here is actually the Okubo factory Skyline as well. This one we haven't seen yet, but this is a real GTR. Very cool. I love the livery. Looks awesome. It's bagged. I never thought I'd see a bagged 34 GTR, but there it is on Advent GTs. It's very cool. There's a lot going on in that trunk. Very cool. Big GT wing too. It's nice. Really clean 180SX. on LMGTs. Ooh, they fetch a pretty penny now, those wheels. Loving the old school TV antennas on the back. This is a vibe right here. Love it. Of course, it wouldn't be called Supercar Sunday without some exotics. This McLaren's pretty wild. I wish I knew more about these kinds of cars, but never really looked into them that much. I just know that they're expensive. These are those slammed cars that came in before. Very cool. Laurel next to a Celsior. This exhaust is cool. Don't think you can back up all the way. It'll probably hit the car park block there. This thing's scraped all the way in. They've got to be static. They can't be bagged. So cool. Out of curiosity, let me know in the comment section, but which one of these two would you pick? No money involved. You get to have one or the other. I'm assuming that everyone's going to pick this over that, but I'm just curious. It is so crazy to see not just one of these, but 3 of them. I've never seen one in red before. Very cool. I didn't even know how much these fetch for now. They're such like a rare car and so much money. Gosh. They look like they're in amazing condition. Oh my gosh, the Martini Racing themed one. Beautiful. My gosh. I wonder if I'd fit in there and drive comfortably or not. See 3 of them like this, so cool. Oh wow, he's even got the right wheels, the brake cookers. Well, actually they're designed to put more air in there. You see the fins there? It's very cool.
This one is
really enjoying the yellow 180 next to the NC Miata Roadster, I think. I'm loving the 32 Skyline wheels on this. It's nice. Carbon wing. Oh wow, it's got a center exit exhaust. It's cool. Looking at this 180, he's got a really nice like faint yellow tint on the glass, and then he's got something on the front too, the reflective like kind of blue. But all the passenger windows have this really light yellow tint. It might be hard to see on camera, but it looks really nice and matches with the paint quite nicely. A decent sticker collection too. Another really clean 180SX. Huh. I don't think I've seen this sticker before, the SR21. Maybe they just fell off or people took them or stole them off every car I've seen, but I wonder if that was a factory thing. I don't think so. It's the first time I've ever seen that. If anyone knows anything about it, please let me know. Love seeing a bunch of RX-8s starting to get around. They're just such a cheap car and they're good for getting into some kind of, you know, motorsport. As long as you get the ones, the last generation ones. I heard the first 2 generations were the really bad ones, like engine-wise. Chaser pulling in next to a Mark II. Ooh, and another white one. Wow, that looks beautiful. This gunmetal gray is nice on this Chaser. So clean. Dig that a lot. Very nice DC2 there. Across from a couple of really nice Porsches. Loving the red GT3 RS. Next to a Koki S14. So it looks like a BN Sports kit. Yeah, he's even got the BN Sports logo on the side skirt. I love that. The rear fenders are beautiful. Nice flow. It's cool. 14s are starting to like become very hard to find. I just love seeing the 2 reds next to each other. It's also wild to see stuff like this over here. Nice Corvette. It's got a lot of like nice little carbon fiber pieces on it, this one. All through here, the lips. Very cool. Huh, this is a supercharged one. It says a ZR1. I don't know too much about Corvette stuff, but this looks very clean and I love all the carbon fiber eccentrics. It's cool. One of my favorite things to do is come to the exit at Daikoku here and watch the cars launch and the bikes and stuff take off. So worth it. No way. Where are my New Zealand brothers at? Have you ever seen a clean Safari like that? Woo! Watch out for the ditch there on the left. He's good, he's good. Decided to go for a little walk down here, and there's a nice 34 GTR there next to a Celica. This beautiful Ferrari. Oh my gosh, I love this front bumper on this thing. It's beautiful. Gosh. But I also want to take a look at some of these bikes up here. These older bikes have been really growing on. Ooh, that's nice too. What is this thing up here on the in between the trucks? Is that a Chaser? It is. Yeah, that's cool. It is slammed though. Very low to the ground. I dig that. Oh, hey! Hey. Nice bike!
Yeah, thank you.
Very nice bikes. Got a Kawasaki 900, 750. Man, I really want to get back into bikes. I used to have a really nice Gixxer 600 in Australia. I came off it once on some mountain roads, and luckily it was super safe. Like, I didn't hurt myself or anything like that. Bike got a little messed up, but wow, look at this old Harley. It's clean. But ever since then, I kind of was just like, yeah, bikes maybe not for me. That's kind of where we left it. But I don't know, maybe Japan's safer. I don't know. Really though, I mean, yeah, I don't know. I got enough cars as it is. I probably don't need to add more bikes to that. Look at this guy. Oh my gosh. Just waiting for the floor pan to come flying out. There's the Chaser. Yeah, this is where all the cool stuff's happening, is up at this end today. Oof, this bike is really nice too. 1200. Hey! I love it. We'll have to go for a ride on one of these one day. Oh, here comes the Celsior. This was hiding behind the Chaser. I didn't see it at first, but this is beautiful. Wow. I dig this a lot. Very clean. Nice Evo 9, I think. Oof. I just noticed there's a Trans Am there. It's crazy. All right. Oof. I've never been a fan of these cars. Just the front end really just throws me off. But they are a cool car. All right, I absolutely love this. So obviously Spider MR2, but the old style wheels. Now I know these are reps obviously, because I don't think you can buy brand new Longchamps anymore, but it's super cool to see like an old style kind of wheel on a new style car, if that makes sense. I kind of really dig that. That's awesome. There's an S15 here next to a white 13. Oh wow, I love the interior in this. Very cool. This thing is low as well. Oh, NSX. So weird hearing a twin plate clutch sound coming from the trunk of the car. Oh, that's cool. Let's go at the front. I don't think, I haven't been up here yet. Let's see if there's anything cool hiding up here. Yeah, there's definitely a couple cool cars hiding up here. 348 next to a 348. Very cool. Man. It's so crazy. Every time I look at these, I always see things that just like stand out that I haven't noticed before, and I just noticed how the rear wheels are so close to the back bumper. Probably one of my favorite front ends on the Ferrari. Definitely the F40 is my all-time favorite front end and rear end, but the 348 definitely have a really nice front end. That bumper is just what it does. Like, it just does it for me. So cool having like the big driving lights like in the front bumper like that. Very cool. It's very, the front end on these kind of does remind me of the slant nose Porsche as well. Anyways, let's see what else we can find today. Yep, this is what I was talking about, guys. Young people over here think the grass is greener on the other side of the fence. And this is Japanese tuned, like I guess Japanese tuning meets American muscle in its finest. Very cool. HRE wheels? Oh my gosh, that's funny. I love it. Oh, he's moving. Yeah, that's one cool Camaro. Nice white STI Forester. Pretty much an STI WRX, but soccer mum van version, SUV version. It's a nice 11 next to a yellow Porsche. That's really cool. 180SX Vert. Huh, I didn't know they ever made one. Maybe that's been converted. I think that used to be a coupe Vert and they converted it to look like a 180. That's super cool. Yeah, can kind of tell from the rear fender. Yeah, that's awesome. I just noticed this RX-7 FC and my gosh, does it look beautiful. Like this maroony color. See, this is why I want an FC, guys. This looks beautiful. Oh my gosh. It's my dream FC right there. Just maybe a different color. Oh, it's so nice. There's another NSX here. Nice black one. And it looks like this FD just rolled in. Beautiful. There's just so much here. I think we're gonna wrap up today's video here. There is just so many cars, and the longer I stay here, the more and more they just keep rolling in. Daikoku PA is such a unique place, and it's always good because every time I come here, I get new inspiration, and there's never ever the same cars here. It's so cool to just check all this out and see what the scene is doing here in Japan and meet all the people, part of the different like genres and all that kind of stuff within the car scene here. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section, what was your favorite car that you saw here today? And I'll catch you on the next one. This guy just started his engine, so he's heading, which means it's probably a perfect time for me to bounce as well. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Peace.